Hi, I'm Johnny McElroy, Advanced Construction Manager with CertainTeed Offsite Solutions. I'm here with Andrew, a builder with 25 years experience. We're going to look at ONE Precision Assemblies wall panel here and talk about some of the specifics that go into it.
Well, talk to me about the Vicor NVS versus a traditional house wrap.
Yeah, this Vicor NVS is a really great product. This is our weather resistant barrier. It's self-adherent, which is actually really nice for installation. You don't need the staple, you're not stapling through it, which I like as well. Because we're adhering it to the sheathing, it acts as our air barrier as well, right? So this is a continuous air barrier, continuous WRB. Just a 2-inch overlap's all we need. That lap can be done horizontally or vertically, which is actually really nice, especially for off-site builders.
And how about the pan you've got created?
Yeah, so with ONE Precision Assemblies, what we're doing for our window pan, which is a critical component for a wall panel, to deal with moisture management, right? Now, we're going to flash our window here, but we need to prevent any water that does by chance get behind the window flange, a way to get out. So we're doing that with a pitched sill. We're pitching the sill with a clapboard, okay? Then we're wrapping our NVS over top of that. Then taking Vicor Pro, this is a 9-inch wide split back tape. That split back's really great because the back side of it's 4 9/16, which is perfect for the jamb of the window. The remainder's in the front here. So for application, we peel only this piece first and adhere this here. Then we lap this in and pull the split back out after, which really makes this detailing a lot easier.
Finished with bow ties.
Yeah, and then we have these bow ties pieces of the same Vicor Pro to finish out the corners, because this is a tricky spot to seal. So the bow tie allows us to wrap that really tight. So we've got a really robust sill pan here for placing a window in.